Hey team, so today I'm going to be teaching you how to add a folder, and in that folder how to add your links so you could have easy access to the Zoom links. So on your advisory section, you should have your schedule posted. And when you scroll down, well, I have three folders. I have the schedule, and for example, I put semester one because second semester does change. So once that comes around, I'm gonna just insert it in this folder. The teacher Zoom IDs, when you click it, you have all of them right here for 6th and 7th grade. And how I set up my lessons folder. So lessons, and then they're going to go by week, and in that week, they're going to go by date. That way they know exactly what to press for that day. But I'm going to teach you in this video how to do the Zoom ID folder and links. So you're going to add materials, add folder, and title it Teacher Zoom Links. You can change the color, it doesn't matter. And then you can have a quick description. Here you will find your teacher's Zoom links. The date function, if you choose to put a date, you can publish it. Like if you don't want them to see this until next week on Tuesday, you can put publish on start date and or publish on this date. But for now, just hit publish. You create, and you should have a folder. Now you click on the folder, and your folder is empty right now. So to do the Zoom links, you're going to add materials, add a page. So this is important for the page. You can't add the file, but 6th and 7th grade added the page. Okay, and then you're going to put, for example, for me, I'll put Mrs. Ariano's Zoom ID. And then here, what we did was we put the Zoom session ID, and then we just wrote it out. I'm just going to put a number. And we put the passcode. Just any passcode. And then right here in the bottom, you have an option to add a file, add a link, add a resource, add an audio or video recording, or add an external tool, which is like an outside source. But you add the link, and then you're going to find your Zoom link on your Zoom account. You should see it on Show Meeting Invitation. And then you just copy it. You paste it, and you title it, what we did, Ariano Zoom classroom. We attach it, and then you don't have to move anything over here, and then you just create. And this should pop up, so you guys should have all your teachers right here. When they click it, when the students click it, they have the option to write it manually, or they can just click the link and it takes them right to Zoom, and they just have to hit open Zoom. But yeah, that's practically it for how to add a Zoom link and